Biszet, the cosmetics refrigerator for your bathroom. The perfect place to store high-quality cosmetics. Biszet is a premium climate-controlled cabinet for cosmetics and a class of its own. It is incredibly compact and can either hang on the wall or stand freely. What's more, Bizet's technical precision and purist design meet the most exacting demands. The cosmetics cooler is made completely of high-quality stainless steel, both inside and out, and provides finely tuned climatic zones that keep your cosmetics at the right temperature at all times. Your cosmetic products retain their impeccable freshness, ensuring an optimal effect on your skin. Biszet was developed in cooperation with dermatologists and pharmacists. The cosmetics refrigerator offers 3 different climatic zones, carefully adapted to products containing vitamins, and cosmetics without preservatives, as well as creams and lotions containing collagens. Cooled storage protects the purity of your high-quality skincare products. The Biszet Cosmetics Refrigerator. Sleek elegance and crisp contours. In perfect harmony with beautiful bathrooms.